What is up, guys? Xavier here, Power Plus Physique, with another video, but today is going to be pre-workout review. I'm going to go over energy, pump, endurance, and focus. My favorite pre-workout to take based on my experience. I'm going to go over a couple of products that I personally have tried, and I'm going to relay that message to you guys to see if you guys want to try it and so forth. So let's get right. Energy aspect of pre-workout. Now, just so you guys know, caffeine is a blood restrictive drug. So when you do take it, it does restrict blood flow. So the vasodilation does not happen. So you won't get better pumps. You will not get as much blood flow in a workout. But energy wise, I want to go with Charged AF by Steele. It was a samples. I use it, of course. So that's why you don't see the full thing. But Charged AF, it was awesome for energy. So going down the list for energy is Madness by, I think this is Mutant Madness by Mutant. It's fantastic for energy. The taste, now there's black pepper extract in this one, so don't dry scoop this one. It's just like dry scooping just straight pepper. It's not that pleasant. The next one is BZRK. BZRK is awesome for energy. All of these have DMAE. I'm not sure about Charged. I don't think that one has it, but the other ones do. That is a nootropic, so it allows more neurotransmitters to fire while you're working out. So it allows more energy and more focus, which I'll get into a little bit later. Chemix is okay. I'll go into it later off of the other topics that I'm going into with these pre-workouts. So let's get into it. Again, I rate Charged AF by Steele supplements as the #1. The reason why is the ingredients in it are just pure. You can tell that the absorption, it's honestly like if you dry scoop it, which the taste is amazing, honestly, it's awesome. But as soon as you dry scoop it or as soon as you drink it, literally 10 to 15 minutes later, you're feeling it. And I worked out for about 2 straight hours, like nonstop, and I usually don't do that. So the focus on that was awesome, along with the energy. But going down the line, focus this one, because this one has DMAE. It also has huperazine, which is another nootropic factor to basically allow more neurotransmitters to fire so you can have that laser focus rather than a stimulant like caffeine that you do crash from later. The other one is Madness. Madness is 3rd on my list when it comes to focus, and then Chemix is last. I'm not saying this, I dislike this pre-workout, but I'll get into later why I prefer the other ones rather than this one. So I'm a bodybuilder. The pump is the reason you're in the gym. The pump is where you grow. So I like non-stim sometimes when I just need to get it done in and out. And honestly, besides Charge, honestly, this is my favorite one out of everything. The reason why is it's just an all-in-one pre-workout because it has pump, it has nootropic, it has energy, it has endurance, all the ingredients that you need in one serving. But my next favorite one is Impact Pump by Allmax. Now this one is awesome for pump and for focus. The reason why is it has lion's mane, which is, if you don't know what lion's mane is, it's a mushroom. And it allows that laser focus, which is, it's amazing. It has alpha GPC. It also has a lot of citrulline malate, augmentine sulfate, which are pump products. But this one, honestly, non-stim is one of the best pre-workouts that I've ever had, because it just, I can just keep going. My absorption of the nutrients in that one is just way better. I don't get muscle cramps with it, so I can go longer. So I put this one over in the categories of endurance and focus, and pump, because it's just endurance. So there's 2 categories that I want to get into. There's endurance, and then there's crash, and then there's resting that I kind of want to go over in this subject. So with Charged AF, I did not see a crash at all. Amped was insane. Literally the most potent pre-workout I've ever taken, which I used to take pre-workouts like this when I was a powerlifter, when I needed to lift 1 rep maxes. But now I'm a bodybuilder. I need to focus on building muscle, focus on working out smarter rather than harder in a way. So I need to be in the gym and maximize my time. So I need to take supplements that are going to coincide with that. So Charged AF is by Steele Supplements is my all-time favorite. But when it comes to endurance, Madness, I do crash from this one. It is very potent. It is an awesome pre-workout. I get a fantastic pump, but I do see a crash. You have Impact, which is non-stim. I don't see a crash from it, but I get really, really hungry after my workouts when I take this one. I feel like because it's driving the nutrients into the muscles and allowing more protein synthesis. So after your workout, I'm literally so freaking hungry that I need to like go right away and go eat something because I worked so hard and I depleted the glycogen in the muscles. So I feel like this one is more towards bodybuilding rather than like powerlifting or any kind of high performance sport, like fast twitch muscle sports like that. BZRK is, I did this one for a minute when the quarantine was happening, and this one got my workouts. This one's good. I did crash from this one. I would literally sleep for like 2 hours after taking this because the workout was just so intense and allowed my body to push more than it could at that time. So this one is awesome. Now Chemix, I would get headaches from this. Now this is me personally. The reason why is because it has DMAE, it has lion's mane, and it has about 400 milligrams of caffeine, and it also has huperazine and dimethyl. I forgot how to say that one, but it's an amino acid. It's for your brain. So it is a lot of stimulants. For me, my body does a reverse effect when it comes to stimulants. So when I have high stim, my body crashes, and that's not everyone. People can handle high stim. So this is why this is at the bottom of my favorite list, because it's such a high stim that my body just shuts down after the workout. So this is a great one, but for me, it's not as optimal as I want it to be. Thank you guys for watching. My all-time favorite is going to be Steele Charged AF. I will be getting that. I got the sample pack just to see what it was all about. Steele Supplements is a very reputable company, so that's the one I'm going to be going with. But I hope you guys got something out of this. I hope you guys can see what kind of pre-workouts would work for you. If you guys have any questions, leave comments down in the section, and check out my Instagram for at Power Plus Physique for workout videos. Thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you soon.